Hi all, welcome to our Trade Smart Risk Less series. A great example today on a stock that we don't follow. Nobody else is following Pony. Pony is a small cap in the ride sharing business backed by Toyota. But what we need to find out in this trade in Pony is where to enter the trade so we'll have the biggest chance of long play as profitable as possible with very little risk. Now if you observe the chart, early in the morning the stock gaps up, then moves lower. You don't know what the hell's going on. Not only that, you're never following it. Now when you start following Pony, only after this move the stock moves over 16, it hits the screeners, and suddenly people are observing it, not only the investors of Pony. So how do you manage this trade? Okay, so assuming you enter the first time when it breaks 16, that's fine. You don't have a clear stop loss, but let's say you're gonna risk, I would say 20 to 25 cents. Makes sense, something like 1%. But then you can observe one thing. The stock moves higher, comes back to 16. You can see it clearly. You can see it moves higher. Hold on a second, guys. Moves higher, comes back to 16. Moves higher, comes back to 16. Moves higher to the highs of the day, comes back nearly to 16. And this is a routine. Now you know this is the support level. This is the support level, 16. So you need to enter the trade above 16. Now if you enter at 16.05, okay, you risk on the trade 5 cents because the stop loss is under 16. If you enter at 16.10, you risk 10 cents, but that's 100% more. And if you enter at 16.20, that's 200% more. So why do you need that? You don't need that. So the idea here is not only that you can use the VWAP, enter as close as possible to support. Don't look for the breakout trade. Obviously, this is the easiest trade. The smartest trade is to buy at 16.05. You buy at 16.05, you risk 6 cents, which is 0.5%, less than 0.5%. So you can buy a lot. And if the stock moves up a dollar, you'll have a 10 to 1, maybe 20 to 1 risk reward, which is exactly what you want as a day trader. So thanks for being here with us. Do like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.